What's going on, guys, and welcome to my first ever mukbang. So today I'm so excited because I love Chipotle. We got some chips and guacamole right here, and we have a chicken burrito bowl. You might not be able to tell it's chicken because of all this lettuce. I asked for extra lettuce. I asked for extra everything except the meat because it's all free, so why not? Might as well. Yeah, guys, I'm starving right now. This is the first meal of the day. So as you guys can see, it's just a pile of lettuce basically. I'm gonna mix this up before I dig in, but in today's video, I'm gonna be answering some of your questions. So in my community tab on my main channel, I asked you guys to ask me questions, and guess what? I got 1,000 questions from you guys. So hopefully none of the questions are super personal because I don't want to be, exposing all of my secrets on camera especially. So let's just see how it goes. But I'm really excited, guys. This is my first ever mukbang video. So last year, before I start answering your questions, dude, Chipotle is so good. Last year around this time I was like 160 pounds, and now I weigh 130 pounds. So I've lost like 30 pounds within a year. And I can't fit that much food in my body anymore. So you guys see all this food right here? Chips and guacamole and this chicken burrito bowl. This will last me an entire day. I don't get Chipotle very often, but it's one of my favorite foods. Let me know in the comments what types of food you guys like, because I want to know. I've never filmed a mukbang video before, so it feels kind of weird because when I eat food, I usually come home from the gym. I usually get McDonald's because it's right in front of the gym. It's kind of funny because, like, why would you eat McDonald's, like very bad food, after the gym? But one thing you guys don't know about me is that I don't like to go out of my way to do things. So say I'm like a kill two birds with one stone kind of guy. So if McDonald's is in front of the gym, I'll get McDonald's. If Chipotle was in front of the gym, I would get it. But yeah, I get McDonald's. And usually when I eat food, like I come home, take a shower, and then I eat McDonald's. And usually when I eat food, I like watch YouTube videos or anime. I love anime, if you guys didn't know. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna open up my phone and I am going to start answering questions. I got 1,000 questions. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna dig in now, guys. I'm starving. The first meal of the day. Before I hop into the questions, gotta eat a chip. So I never really liked avocado, but guacamole, I can stand it. I can stand avocado in like sushi and stuff. And plus, this isn't like pure avocado. They put like onions and like all this random stuff in there, so I'm cool with that. You guys heard that crunch. I know you guys heard that crunch. So the first question is, how rich are you and how many cars do you have? So in my day in the life, I mentioned that, I have 2 cars. Technically only 1 because I purchased 1 car doing what I love. Technically I only have 1 car, but I have 2 right now at the moment because I got a graduation present from my mom when I graduated high school. But I'm gonna give that car back to my mom because, I bought my own car and I want to give it back to her because the car is fairly new still. It's only like 3 years old, so it's still in really good condition. And to answer how rich I am, I wouldn't say I'm rich, but I'm happy. All right, I'm at a point where I'm happy. I can afford food. I'm a very simple person. I'm happy if I can afford food, if I can just live and just have fun and not stress about anything. I'm happy about that. Who is your favorite YouTuber? Guys, I am subscribed to over 1,000 people on YouTube, so I won't be able to choose who my favorite YouTuber is. If I could choose one, I would have to say Etika. I've been watching him for a very long time, and he's just one of those YouTubers that I've never gotten bored of. Like, I go through stages where I watch like many people, and you know, I fall in love with their videos, but Etika is someone who I've watched and I've never, you know, lost interest in his videos or like his streams and stuff, so I would have to say Etika. When did you get into Minecraft? So I actually played Minecraft when Minecraft Alpha came out, so basically when it was only in creative mode, and it was actually a browser game instead of what you guys play nowadays. And it was when I was in like 7th grade, and everyone was going crazy about Minecraft. I don't know why, but a lot of people hate on Minecraft nowadays because they're like, oh, it's such a kid's game. But back in the, I mean, technically I was a kid back then. I was 12 years old in 7th grade, and everyone was going crazy about Minecraft. It was like the game of the century. Minecraft was super fun, but back then, obviously, I didn't make videos on Minecraft. I had a YouTube channel, and I made videos on Modern Combat 3, which was like a first-person shooter on the mobile device, on the phone. It was a pretty fun time. I got up to like 500 subscribers before I decided to make this RageElixir channel. So, yeah, I would have to say like 2008 was when I got into Minecraft. No, 2010. Have you ever been to Canada? I live there and I'd love to see you. I think I've been to Vancouver, Canada, because I'm from Seattle, and Vancouver's like right above. Which part of Canada? Because I would love to meet you guys as well. I don't travel too often, but after I graduate, I plan to travel to California, Hawaii, and Japan during this year, 2019. That's a lot of places to travel, but I'm really excited, and if I ever see you guys in public, that's gonna be really awesome. And this guy asked so many questions. Aroko Ninjaro asked, what is your real name? My real name is Gary. What do you like the most, PS4 or PC? PC Master Race, man. Dude, on PC you can do anything you want. Like, on PS4 you're limited to just games and like apps that are available on, you know, on the console, but I would have to say PC. What's your age? I'm 22 years old. What do you eat? Oh, what do you like to eat, pizza or burger? I mean, I like both of them, but if I had to choose though, I would have to go with pizza. I don't know. As much as I like burgers, I've eaten too many, man. I don't know. I get McDonald's like every other day, so I'm kind of sick of burgers at this point. But I'm cool with both. But I would have to choose pizza. Dude, I've only taken like 5 bites and I'm already kind of getting full. I'm telling you guys, man, my stomach has gotten really small. Someone asked, Gardevoir Animates asked, what inspired you to do 3 a.m. videos? Also, do you have fun making 3 a.m. videos for fun and to entertain your people? They also said, it's painful when you wake up thanks to your alarm. Yes, it definitely is painful. What inspired me to do 3 a.m. videos? I just thought it would be an interesting like Minecraft video idea, because I saw like Brazilian Minecraft YouTubers doing the same, and it sounded pretty fun, so I tried it out, and a lot of you guys enjoyed it, so I was like, you know what? If my viewers are entertained by it, I'm gonna keep going. So, another question is, how do you manage your channel even though you have so many things to do? So, you just gotta plan things out. So, every single weekend, because I have school on the weekdays, I have school on Monday and Wednesday. From Thursday through Sunday, I like to plan things out. I like to plan things out in advance. I'm a very like organized person, I would have to say, or I would like to think I'm organized, but I like to organize everything out for the whole week and try to get things on track for all 3 of my channels, since now I'm starting to record videos for this channel as well, and hopefully this channel takes off as well, because I would like to, you know, get to know you guys more and get more personal with you guys. But yeah, I like to plan things out on the weekends, look for video ideas. I get inspired by a lot of YouTubers because I watch so much YouTube. Like I'm able to learn a lot of things from other YouTubers and take tips, and like, you know, it helps me brainstorm ideas as well. So Davina David, that is how I manage all of my channels. By the way, guys, look at my phone case. RageElixir phone case. If you guys want that, want this phone case, go check it out. Link in the description down below. Chipotle is the best. I also have this phone case. The Rage text logo phone case, if you guys want that as well. They're the 2 designs, and you can also choose your phone model and stuff, so it's really awesome. Let me look for more questions while I eat. Dude, Chipotle is the best. You see this giant chunk of chicken, guys? So, Mark asked me, if you weren't a YouTuber, what would your job be right now? I wouldn't have a job right now, actually. I mean, actually, I would be looking for a job because I would be graduating from college right now. So, I can't believe I'm about to graduate university soon, guys. Like, after I graduate, it's just gonna be full-time YouTube and just, I don't know. I'm really excited to just focus on YouTube and entertain you guys, and hopefully this lasts a long time, because I want this to last a long time. This is my passion, to create and just to make people happy online. It's just my goal, man. I can't believe, you know, this dream has almost turned into a full-time reality, and I can't believe it. And I can't think, like, I gotta thank you guys for making this happen. Okay, my camera cut out for a quick second, but we're back. Alright, so Leah plays asks, how old are you? I'm 22 years old. Where do you live? And are you already married, or do you have a crush? I'm not married. I'm only 22. I live in Seattle, and I don't have a crush, I guess. But there's a lot of, like, I don't know. Next question. When will you be introducing us to your family? You know, good question. I might have to ask my family if they want to be in my vlog sometime, because at the end of this year, I'm gonna be heading to Japan. I'm gonna be surprising my family with an entire trip to Japan. So, you know, they better want to be on my vlog. They better want to be in my video if I'm paying for their trip. Dude, I've only eaten like a third of this burrito bowl, and I'm already full, guys. That might be it. But I can definitely keep eating these chips for the rest of my life, though. For some reason, these chips hit different. Like, they are so good. I think they also sprayed like lemon and salt on them, so I think that's what makes them so good. And they also deep fry them even more, which is crazy. Listen. Super good. Who influenced you the most in your life? I think growing up, I had like a couple influences. Because I used to be a swimmer. I looked up to Michael Phelps, Nathan, Adrian, basically like a lot of swimmers. But nowadays, I don't really look up to, like, I'm not really influenced by anyone. I just try to work really hard and try to become an influence to you guys. Like, I understand that I'm a role model to a lot of kids out there. And, you know, sometimes I actually met some of you guys at Mindfair, and a lot of you guys were like, when I grow up, I want to be a YouTuber. I want to be just like you, Rage. And I'm like, in my heart, I'm like, wow, really? Like, that makes me so happy. But at the same time, I'm like, do you really want to be like me? I don't know if you want to be like me, but I'm a really simple person, for the most part. Why don't you ever post vlogs on your other channel? Hi, oh crap. But yeah, I am posting on my other channel right now, so how's it going, Alice? Ronaldo says, I love your videos, and when is your birthday? Thank you so much for loving my videos, and my birthday is December 13th, so if you guys want to send me some presents, I'd gladly accept them. I'm just kidding, guys. If you were a YouTuber, what would your ideal job be? Dude, this is my ideal job. I don't think I would ever want to work a normal job, in my opinion, but I don't know. My ideal job, I can't even think of anything else, because this is it. Like, I love this job so much. We got a series of questions from Super Grill. What is your favorite food? I can't think off the top of my head right now, because I'm eating such good food right now, but I don't want to just jump to conclusions and say this is my favorite food, because what if it isn't? What is my favorite color? So a lot of people might think that my favorite color is red because of my main channel and my Minecraft skin, but my favorite color is actually blue. What is your favorite cartoon? My favorite cartoon would have to be like The Simpsons, because I grew up watching that. But if it was anime, I actually don't have a favorite anime, but I love anime. What is your favorite flavor? Like, favorite flavor of candy? If it is, my favorite flavor of candy would have to be green apple, I think. That was my favorite flavor growing up, at least. For like Jolly Ranchers and stuff. Holy crap, Aruba asked so many questions, guys. This person asked me 15 questions. I'm gonna just choose a couple questions to answer, but it says, how many siblings do you have? I have one. If you guys haven't met my little brother, his name's Tim. I've actually made a couple videos with him, more than a couple actually. Do you have a job other than being a YouTuber? Nope. This is my only job while I'm going to university, and this is gonna be my only job, hopefully for the rest of my life. I pray. I want this to be my, you know, my job. What is your hobby? Making YouTube videos, watching anime, dancing, I don't know, drawing as well. That's a hobby too. You guys asked me way too many questions. I think I'm gonna leave the other questions. I'm just gonna save them for a different mukbang video or just a different Q&A video. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Guys, I barely even touched my food at the end of the day. But if this was like a McDonald's mukbang, the food would have been gone by now. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did, make sure you guys go down below right now and smash that like button. And also guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be posting way more on this channel now. I'm gonna be more consistent, hopefully. And hope you guys enjoyed. I guess see you all in the next video.